In this video, I will show you how to refund games on Steam. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm here currently logged into Steam. So what you're going to want to do is open up Steam, log into your account. Then what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your name just up here. From here, you want to come down and click onto account details, and that's going to take you across to your account details screen. Now in the account details at the very top, you're going to see a section called store and purchase history. And what you want to do from here is click onto view purchase history. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got all my current purchases, and you can see there's actually a game that I've put a refund through for. But what you would basically do is select the game that you want to refund from here. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the Steam support page. Now on here, you're going to see an option to refund. Of course, I can't do it for this particular game because I've actually already refunded this one. But you would just basically go ahead and basically say that you want a refund for the purchase. Just bear in mind that refunds are normally only accepted for games that have been purchased within the past 2 weeks. So if you have had the game for some time and you've played it, then chances are you won't get a refund. But if it's a game you've recently purchased, either by accident or maybe you're just not getting on with it, or your PC doesn't meet the specs to play the game successfully, what you can do is come into this screen here and request a refund. So that is how to refund games on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.